Hi everybody, a very good morning, good afternoon. Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, Jule, hi Adab. I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And I'm the brainwave and the brainchild behind this project and this huge collections that we have, which we are offering to most of our customers and clients. So we are in the business of designing and manufacturing and supplying solutions, which is products like lamps, mirrors. We have cutlery, we have coasters, we have trays, we have picture frames, we have vases, and of course bigger products, which is bespoke and luxury and make on order. Some products are also in stock and stuff, like sofas, like dining tables, like chairs, and then there are art installations and stuff, and there are chandeliers and center tables and consoles and stuff like that. And the amazing part is that we also design and kind of customize as per request of clients and customers, where they can send in their pictures and stuff, and if those products are technically possible, those can be done. Then there are these bar tables and bar stools which are in metal. They are hands and structures made out of metal, and many of them are kind of used for the purpose of decorating, like I said, your bars, probably your restaurants, maybe your villas, maybe your banquets or whatever. So this is it, and then there are also interesting thematic products which are kind of inspired. As I've shared, I've got feedback which are inspired from Europe, which are inspired from Germany and France. A lot of stuff is kind of at par with Scandinavian furniture, European products and stuff like that. And many of the items that we have, which we've done for certain showrooms also, are kind of preferred by HNIs and retail outlets and malls abroad. So that's that. And the read today that I'm sharing with you, because I'm starting my day, and I would like everybody to have a fantastic week or a day like I've had over the weekend and stuff, where I've made a conscious decision to not follow news and views and stuff. I think an hour of a program is good enough, and educating yourself on probably larger than life issues and the persistent war and killings and stuff, or politics and religion, and what's going wrong with the world is always advisable to follow maybe business channels, which I did yesterday, soaking up the information and getting to know the positive of what India can look at in tandem with the US and other countries, and how is it going to affect us, positive or negative. And most of it seemed positive. And it's great to see that there are so many interesting people still out there, because we think in our own world of people that we have, primarily for a lot of people online or just following TV and news and being in the same circles, they feel that the world is just about those people. But when you kind of take a look at bigger stuff happening everywhere, there's a bigger world, and there is a look forward or a fast forward approach that you may want to kind of look at, and you may even have plans and ideas to even kind of have your strategies of kind of linking your work to them, or even meeting them in future and stuff. So there are a few pointers. This is a book which is by a professor, and they're talking about a fantastic way to kind of find more connection. I feel joy is really very important. Something which makes you feel good and great is always a good idea. And all the arguments, all the debates and everything look amazing on TV, but believe me, a lot of these in person are really very well organized and coordinated and taken care of and stuff. And what we are shown on TV with the blaring music and everything is totally crappy, at least in a lot of channels, I feel. I'm allowed to share my thoughts here, so that's what I'm kind of sharing through my video. So now back to the read. This is about what is it that will kind of keep the negativity at bay, and will actually make you look at things in a positive manner rather than pessimist. And we can learn to become more positive, and we can kind of benefit from thinking positively, and get over the challenges of negative biases and habits which we have because of the choices of careers, relationships and friends and stuff like that.